Hey guys, I know a lot of you are really excited to hear the new exhaust on my CLA45s, and I'm really sorry guys, the full video is taking a bit longer to put together than I expected. But hey, I love you guys though and hate keeping you waiting, so I've put together a little preview of just how amazing the car now sounds. Honestly, just watching that back makes me laugh just how mad it now sounds. It's a crazy improvement over stock. I've been driving everywhere in race mode and those upshifts and crackles and pops are something else. It definitely now sounds meaner than the C43 and I never thought I'd say that. The overall tone is so much deeper and throatier too. And the best part is if you slip it into comfort mode, it's as quiet as it was stock. I simply can't express with you guys just how crazy it sounds in person. Now here's the part you won't believe. This exhaust mod requires no ECU tuning, so there's no warranty issues to worry about, and the car still has the OPF filter. And this might be the biggest surprise to you all. It only costs £340. Now guys, of course, this is just a small preview while I work on my full video where I'm going to share all the details. My goal is to create one of the most accurate and comprehensive before and afters you've ever seen. I took loads of videos of the stock exhaust and have matched them exactly to play back to back with the new exhaust. I even made sure all my microphone settings were exactly the same, so it should be a really good comparison. Now guys, this is all taking some time to put together, but I promise you I will get this video up as soon as I can. I'm just so thrilled with the exhaust and couldn't leave you guys hanging without a quick preview because I know so many of you just can't wait to see the full video. Now, as you can probably hear guys, I'm just so excited about this. It's just such an improvement over stock and I'm blown away, to be honest, and I can't wait to hear what you guys think as well. I mean, let me know what you think of the preview. Make sure to post a comment and let me know, and like this video if you think the CLA45s now sounds epic. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the full video.